5 amazing things that happen when you exercise. 5. Your pain tolerance level increases. It's just logical. When you work out, you're in discomfort. So your body will adapt to keep you comfortable and in less pain over time, which transcends into everyday life. 4. You get random mood boosts throughout the day. It's the endorphins, yes, but throughout your journey, your mind and your body will start functioning better and you will feel better. Hey, why am I in such a good mood right now? Your body is thanking you, just take it, okay? 3. You become less forgetful. Research has shown that physical activity increases the production of cells in your brain, which improves memory. 2. You will get sick less often. Similar to the pain tolerance point, exercising regularly at a moderate level can boost your immune system. Perfect for flu season. Number 1, you will feel and look more confident. Even if there's not much physical change yet, you will exude confidence in the room. You will feel it and other people will definitely feel it. But don't take my word for it, see it for yourself, start your journey today. Good things will definitely happen.